Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Map Academy Show episode 2. On this episode, I answer your questions and also interview Martin Arewa in business about their business journey. So, you're welcome to episode 2. And on this episode, as I promised in episode 1, I will be talking about social media marketing. So, one of the members in my WhatsApp group asked, how can I boost my business with social media? So I'll be answering this question, inshallah. So social media marketing is very broad. We can spend so many hours talking about social media marketing, but I will just, in a nutshell, I'll explain what is it and how you can use it to your business advantage. Okay, now let's get started. Social media marketing is basically using social media platforms to promote your business. So there are so many social media that we use, but the most ones that make it amfanida is Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. And I know most of us are on these three platforms, and we try to advertise our products on all of these platforms. Some of the platforms are not really doing good for our business. Why is that? Okay, now, social media marketing, for you to actually know which one to use, is to understand these three. You have to understand your customer base. Where are your customers coming from? Are your customers mainly coming from WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook? For example, if Mariam's customers are mainly coming from Instagram, and my customers might be on Facebook, and then Naji inata using Instagram because now some Mariam tana some customers on Instagram, while now when our customers are on Facebook. What am I doing then? I'm literally wasting my time, my data, my energy and everything on the wrong audience, right? Now I need to understand where my customers are coming from. How can I understand where are they coming from? The simple thing for me is to test these three platforms: Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. I will test these three platforms for at least a month or 2 months. I'll be posting on all the three platforms, creating content that will suit the type of audience on a platform. Then at the end of the month, I will see analyzing and getting, okay, customers ina da na samu a wannan month din ta ina na same su, Facebook ne ko Instagram ne ko WhatsApp ne. Depending on wanne fi kawo min customers, then I'll keep that platform as I'm in my mind. That means most of my customers, my target audience, are on this platform. Idan, for example, at Facebook, I had 0 customer that particular month, I won't just conclude and say my customers are not on Facebook. No. Give it another month. Try for at least 3 months. Understand how all these platforms work. In kuka understanding yin da suke, and then analyze for that 3 months and see where your customers are mainly coming from, then I'll advise you to focus on that particular platform, because that is where your real customers are. I'm not saying you should ignore the rest. No. Try, and also you can be posting few times in a week a sauran, but focus more on one particular platform. For example, if it is Instagram, focus on Instagram, because nanny target audience inki, nanny customers inki. Give them what they want. They are waiting for you. Follow them. Give them what they deserve. Give them what they want. Let them know that you exist. Let them know about your products. Let them know about every offer, every sale, every new product they are launching. Let them know they are your real customers. So nurture them. Create a relationship with them. That is how you can leverage that particular platform, which is Instagram. Idan Instagram indicate coming to customers for your business. Also, the next thing that I want to talk about is, I want to keep this episode short, as I said. So the next thing that I want to talk about is content marketing. Content marketing, but is separating into the social media marketing, but they work hand in hand. So content marketing. Now, if you are using all these three platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, What kind of content do you create? Content marketing is more than just posting the picture of your products. No. Baba kawai ki snapping picture in kind of kisera, ki ta posting, but and you expect people to buy. No. You have to engage. You have to create engaging content. Menene engaging content? Anan. What I mean by engaging content is you have to first, as I said earlier, understand your audience. Misikiso. Content marketing, there are so many ways of creating engaging content. If your audience or the platform you're using, kina ganin in kika posting maybe video, kin fi samun views, kin fi samun likes and comments, and then video in nan yafi shine ya converting into having your customers, then create more videos. Idan wannan ne mema graphics or infographics, create more infographics. Okay, I forgot to mention content marketing and content. To create content is based on either write-ups, either images, which is pictures, either graphics or infographics or video. 5 types of content. So you have to understand your audience. Idan kike posting wa'annan out of 5 in nan wane ne yafi engaging, wane ne suka fi so, wane ne yake turning into customers. Do you understand? Then make use of that content. For example, Instagram, when you just post picture without a good captivating caption, you're just wasting your time. You are literally wasting your time, to be honest with you. Because yes, I know a picture speaks more than 1,000 words, but still they need to read one caption. What is the product all about? May benefit in she. What is the price? Why should I buy it and all? So when you understand the best content for your business, then you're good to go. For example, if you and also understand your unique selling point. There are so many competitors out there on social media. For example, Instagram. If you, for example, are into incense, into Turaren Wuta, there are so many, like thousands of people selling Turaren Wuta on Instagram. There are so many competitions. So you have to be creative enough. A content inky. What meaning a competitive advantage inky? What is your unique selling point? In the sense that what is it that you can offer to your customers that surround competitors basu? What is it that you can draw your customers, the customers out there towards your own products? Is it the price range? Is it the certain promotions, code discounts, the zaki bada? Is it the quality of your product? Is it swift delivery? Is it giving them other tips and all that? Is it getting back on them and seeing how getting their feedbacks and answering their just think, be creative. What is your unique selling point? And then try and use that unique selling point in your content. With that, you'll be able to excel in social media. So as I said, this episode is going to be a short audio because social media marketing is broad. I believe I've answered your question, and if I haven't, if there is something you want to ask again, you know where to contact me. You can drop your comments down below or talk to me on WhatsApp in the group, and inshallah I'll answer your question again. So there are so many aspects of social media marketing which zami magana akai in future episodes. So take each platform, for example WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and talk deep talk on each platform, how you can use it and how you can leverage it to your own advantage, inshallah. So with that, guys, mun zo ƙarshen wannan episode, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so that you will not miss any future episode, inshallah. More topics, more interesting topics are coming your way, bi'iznillahi ta'ala. So thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you, and keep hustling. Bye bye.